Hello everyone. Today we've got the Toyota Land Cruiser FJ60 in the Coca-Cola livery, which is the new car from Inno, and it's in 164 scale. Really good looking car. Very nice, rare, well detailed, and colorful car, which was a very welcome addition to my collection and was really surprised when it made its way to India because had not expected it, but yeah, really happy with it. So let's just start looking at it. Coca-Cola branding everywhere, Coca-Cola. Then we come on to the base. It's license, so it's got the Coca-Cola license. It's got all the Instagram handles and the Facebook, and then it's written that this is for adult collectors. So this is one thing to notice, that the reason these cars they are so expensive and well detailed, this is primarily why, because these are for adults and these are collectibles. 14 plus, I mean below 14 is definitely not advised because they have very small parts, and this packaging actually contains important information, so they suggest you to keep it for future reference. So that's from that. And then this is a very nice bright red color, so the packaging is very pleasing to the eye, and you can read the details about Coca-Cola and how the company exists since 1886. So you'll find Coca-Cola all over this car, that's for sure. Even at the back, you get this really cool thing, so that it just when the car slides in, it becomes a great background. So that's about the packaging. Then we come on to the car itself. So acrylic box, very nice acrylic box, screwed. And then I think the best way to look at the car is just take off the box, and initial impressions, you go, wow, okay, that's a very nice well detailed car. It's also decently heavy. We first let's see what is this. So these are actually a crate of Coca-Cola bottles, if you can see. So it's actually very nicely packaged, and I mean this, you can just nicely take these out, and oh wow, such a small crate, I mean almost impossible. Wow. Yeah, the world's smallest Coca-Cola crate. So pretty. I think we can put that on the roof rack and we can take some pictures, so it looks great. It's a very nice accessory to have with this car. Super cute. Coming on to the car itself, if we start off from the sides, I think the dual tone is working wonders on this car. Amazing color scheme, and the text, the way Coca-Cola is written, and the company's branding heritage. Tires are amazing, the wheels are amazing, and the last window you can see the Coke branding. All of it is just so good. The car, I think it looks very neat from the sides. Even the mirrors very well replicated, door handles very well done. This right here, in case you are unable to see it, it's the Land Cruiser branding here, right here. I'm pretty sure you can see it now. Land Cruiser. So yes, very well detailed. Then if we look at it from this angle, we have got all the necessary details, the name of the car, and obviously the licensed. Looking at the front of this car, the front of this car is very well done, and headlights are very good. 1886 is the year in which Coca-Cola was formed, so that is about it. That is the number plate, headlights, grill, all of it so well done. Indicators very well done. On the hood we can see that it's written Coke, and it says go refreshed since 1886. So a lot of attention has been paid towards the heritage of the company. And yeah, love the Toyota branding. That is so clear, so nice, well done. Interiors also, you can see very well detailed. You can see here dual tone interiors. The seats are beige and the dash is tan. Roof rack, very very well done. Good looking roof rack, going very well with the color black. And at the end we come on to the rear. So the rear is also very neatly done. It says ice cold sunshine. It has 1886. It has Toyota branding. And the back windshield also says 1886. And then we have got the rear wipers. So, and I mean, if you unscrew it you'll get a better view, but I think from here you can see that it has got the spare tire in the base. And you can see the exhaust detailing also. So wow, these are subtle details, but just amazing. And I mean, the tail lamps and all are very well done. You can see the rear wipers, you can see the defoggers also on the window. So I mean, this is not just a car which you should get for the livery, but also for the detailing, because it is stunning. It's a great color scheme, it's a great branding, it's subtle, it's not garish and not too loud or anything. So, and you get this really cute accessory with it. I mean, I loved it. I really really loved it. It's just so good. And when you place it on top of the car, it just looks great. And overall, it's a unique car, it's a great car to be added to your collection. So do I suggest it? I would highly suggest it. And this car recently came to India. This is one of the first ones that has been delivered. So in case you are planning for one and you had thoughts about it, you had a doubt, you had any doubt about the detailing, so I hope this video resolves it. And I think you should go for it. A 9 on 10 for the detailing and all the features that they have given. Thank you.